Hi guys, Lincoln here with hostlincoln.org, and today is day 23 of the affiliate marketing challenge, and today still no sales. Let's just check out the Clickbank account. Still no sales. And what I did today is I'm trying to automate the whole system, and I will talk a little bit on that in the video tomorrow about automation and how much it's costing me to automate the system. And of course you need to understand your numbers if ever you send like one email, and what is your click-through rate. And the other thing I did is one video and I created pins for Pinterest. And just as my this channel, Hostlincoln Empowering Entrepreneurs, I have thumbnails on my channel. I'm using the same thumbnails for the pins on Pinterest, and I've created the pins. Now I have to link and do some things with those to beautify and complete the system. So once again, no sales. And the other thing is I will do another Clickbank account, because maybe I'm getting views because you're trying to see how my videos are doing. That's why I'm not generating sales, also because I'm not getting a good view of the people who want to buy, but instead I'm getting views from you guys who are viewing my videos. And I will blur this out, only this part, and I will change my account, and I will change my YouTube settings too, because now I understand how to rank videos, and I already have 107 subscribers here. When I change how I perceive YouTube ranking system, and I will show you maybe in another video. But now we are just on the 23, and as of the 25 we start with traffic and only traffic. I will teach you all I do on how to get traffic to your videos, links, and make money from that. On that note, yeah, just as a tip for you, there's a 30-day rule to anything you want to do. And we already started the channel, and we are the challenge, and we are 23 days in and still no money. But in the 30 days we started the channel, we are a long way, having a lot of views on the other channel. And maybe I will try to monetize the other channel because I'm nearly there. And on that note, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification, because we are